Americans' lives are changed forever. New images show just how quickly police need to act after a robbery and kidnapping.
We're talking about video that helped clear Monona police of any wrongdoing in a deadly incident last December.
Video that you're about to see is one of the most dramatic they've ever seen. And for that reason, we warn you the video is graphic, even disturbing. But police say it has proven to be instrumental in determining that all of the officers involved did what they had to do to minimize a very dangerous situation. It was December 8th of last year and took just 9 seconds for a victim to barely escape death.
He's trying to get away. He just smashed my car.
And a Monona police officer
Shots fired.
deciding deadly force was the only option to stop a dangerous situation.
This was instrumental in having the documentation that we could show the district attorney's office so that they could make the finding that the officer was justified.
This story starts about an hour earlier when a man from the Winona neighborhood was robbed at gunpoint in his home. Suspect Daniel Thomas, who had just been released from jail, eventually brought the man to the UW Credit Union to forcefully withdraw money from his account.
And respond to UW Credit Union.
An alert teller noticed something wasn't right.
The driver refuses to look at them, and apparently they mouthed to the passenger and asked if he was okay, and he said he mouthed back no.
The teller recognized the victim as a regular customer, and the offender in this case was wearing a hooded sweatshirt.
That's when police moved in, and in a split second, the victim bolts, safe but nearly crushed to death. With nowhere to go, the suspect rams the squad blocking his way. Another officer opens fire. 5 shots. Thomas is still alive for the next few minutes, even burning rubber as he tries to reverse one more time. Eventually, he loses consciousness because he lost so much blood.
Suspect secure, start EMS. Bring EMS in.
He later dies. Chief Ostrenga says this video was instrumental in defending his officers' actions and identifying the many heroes who stepped up that day, the victim, the teller, and his officers.
They really, within seconds, made a critical decision to keep that car contained where it was, and they probably saved a lot of innocent lives that day.
It has taken nearly 5 months to release this video and audio, and Monona Police tells us it took so long because of how extensive the investigation was and the many different agencies involved.
Something's not right.
She's the girl who was home alone when a suspected burglar tried to break in. A terrifying situation for anybody, let alone a 12-year-old girl.
I'm kind of freaking out. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is a criminal.
But Taylor Blanton handled it with guts and bravery beyond her years. Taylor was playing video games on the kitchen counter, waiting for her mom to come home from work when she heard someone trying to get in the front door.
I'm coming over here and I'm like ducking down, and I'm trying to look at him from here.
Taylor kept her cool and dialed 911.
There's a guy trying to break in, and I don't know what to do.
Just listen to the important details she gave police.
Do you have a description on the person? He's wearing a red Auburn t-shirt, and he's wearing a hat, and he has a rag in his back pocket.
She even had the presence of mind to videotape the guy with her cell phone.
I just snap a video of him from right here.
You can see him lurking in the backyard. Taylor did another remarkable thing. Not only did she take video of the stranger as he lurks between these two homes, she also took a picture.
He knocked on the door first, then he went to the neighbor's house, and then he kept trying to knock on the back door and tug at it, and then he's like banging on the garage.
The man was determined to get in, so Taylor found a hiding place in her bedroom closet.
If he breaks in, I'm not just going to be sitting in a chair and be like, hi. So I'm hiding, and then I finally hear the police sirens coming from down the street.
Working with Taylor's description and the photo and video she took, police picked up the suspect a few blocks from Taylor's house. He's a career criminal who cops say is linked to other burglaries in the neighborhood.
Good job.
That was not fun.
No, I know it wasn't. But you did an amazing job. You really did. I mean, you helped catch this guy.
JC, the fire actually began in that SUV and then climbed up this siding of that house. That meant firefighters needed a lot of extra water to fight this. They did find a fire hydrant just a block away, but you know what? That car was right in front of it.
One hydrant, can make a difference. Just really unfortunate and frankly stupid.
Boston Fire very upset with the owner of this car parked in front of a hydrant as they tried to battle an 8-alarm blaze.
They needed the water, and the firefighters, made the decision is, we have to do what we have to do.
What they had to do was smash the windows of the BMW so they could run a hose through it. The owner, who lives in this neighborhood, also slapped with a $100 parking ticket.
If that was my car, I would have cried. It was a nice BMW, brand new.
Rafael Enriquez knows the owner of the car. He says the man who's in his 20s couldn't believe it when he came outside last night to find this.
He was mad at one point, but then he just relaxed and knew, okay, I parked there.
I was happy when I seen him put the hose through the window. Should happen more often. They wouldn't park in them spots.
Residents like Tom Grotto, who watched from his window.
That brand has that thing down like that. There you go. Look, there you go.
Oh, great!
tā nesācis.
Un policija pakaļā.
Opā!
Ārprāt.
Un man ir ieraksts.
Bet labi, ka viņš tikai
Tas
tā
bija baigi.
Un priekšā mašīnai arī. Nu, tas kā kāls ir benzīns.
Jā. Un priekšējam arī.
Un priekšējam.
Calma, deixa eu passar na frente do avião, que eu vou fechar aí.
Vai na asa, vai na asa.
Pode ir lá.